Okay, so guys, it's going to be the very first day's worth of workout program. It's going to do two, okay? One's going to be a complex of 6 different exercises back to back. The second is going to be our density work, okay? The idea is to do the first one in the morning and do the second one either in the afternoon or at night or whenever you can squeeze it in, okay? So remember, split them up because we're going for convenience. With you being mothers, we basically don't want to be taking out your day for too long, okay? So do one in the morning, do one at night. It doesn't really matter which way around you do them, but personally I would prefer to get the bigger one, which is the complexes, out of the way first. Okay, so the first one of day one is going to be this. We're going to do 6 different exercises back to back for 10 reps each. Okay, so you do exercise 1 for 10, and 2 for 10, 3 for 10, and so on, till you do 6 for 10 reps each back to back. Once you've done 6 and the 6th exercise, you rest for 60 seconds, then you repeat it all again, and then you're done. Okay, nice and easy, nice and quick. The first exercise is going to be squats. So what we're going to do, from this position, in a shoulder width stance, we're just going to push them hips back, bend at the knee, we're just going to push the backside down into the floor. So we'll sit back, push down, and then just do that. Okay, 90 degrees at the knee, body weight squat. So we'll set off, we'll do 10 reps. Once you get to the 10th rep, you don't rest, you go straight on the floor of the next exercise, which is going to be push-ups. You can do a few different push-ups. If you're new to training and you're not used to training, then the box push-up is this one. Okay, so you can do your 10 from here. It's kind of like a bowing technique. Okay, so you're just literally bowing for 10. If you're a little bit more advanced, then you can drive the hips underneath. Okay, put a bit more pressure on the body, and then drop the chest between the hands that way, keeping the back nice and straight. Or, if you're on the next level, you can go on the full push-up, on the toes like this, you're going to drop it down, keeping everything nice and tight, keeping it straight, just driving that chest between the arms, between the hands, and then 10. Okay, so you do 10 squats, 10 push-ups, straight on to exercise 3, which is going to be the forward lunge. So what you're going to do, nice big step forward, you're going to lunge, 1, sit, and stand back up. Okay, so you're going to lunge forward, step, back up. On anything that we're doing, so left and right, we're going to do 10 on each side. So you're going to go 1 on that side, 1 on that side, and you're going to do 10 on each, okay? So you're just stepping forward, coming down to 90, keeping your chest up, keeping your back straight, and then that's exercise 3. Once you've done that, you're going to do renegade rows. Remember, we're not resting, we're just doing one exercise after each other. In this position, press up, slightly wider than normal stance at the back, hands underneath the shoulders like this, and you're going to roll the arm, and roll that arm, and the next arm. And remember, because we're doing left and right, we're going to do 10 on one side, and 10 on the other. Once you're finished, no more rest. Okay, straight to the next one. We're going to go into side lunges. Stepping across, driving the backside down, keeping this leg nice and straight, standing up, coming across, going the other side. So stepping, remember, because we're doing both sides, we're going to do 10 on each side. That's exercise 5. Now we're going to do exercise 6, the final one, which is a button. You're going to go into plank position, and you're going to drive the backside in the air. So you're going to go up for 1, and that's 1 rep. You're going to do 10 of these. So that's 2, driving it in, 3, and then after that one, which is the 6th exercise, you're going to take 60 seconds off, you're going to do it all again, and then that's it for the first workout. Okay, so guys, we've done the first part of the workout for day 1, now we're going to move on to the part 2, okay, which is going to be some density work. And all what density work is basically just trying to get as much as possibly can into a short period of time. And it's super cool, super great at boosting the metabolism, and a great little way to burn fat. Today's tempo, we're going to do 2 minutes. We're going to do 2 minutes continuous of 3 different exercises back to back in something called a tricep, okay, which is just 3 exercises together. What we're going to do is going to do 6 reps of the first exercise, followed by 12 reps of the second exercise, followed by 24 reps of the third and final exercise, okay? And that then becomes your circuit. So you've got your 6, your 12, your 24. That one block is your circuit. In 2 minutes, you'll probably get to that 2 or 3 times. And that's the idea, to complete that circle as much as you can. So the exercise that we're going to do, we've already done in the first workout earlier on, but we're going to start with 6 push-ups. So just like we did before, I'll just show you again. So remember, we've got the 3 levels. We've got the box, which is the bow. Okay, so you would set off and you would either do 6 of those, or you'd either do 6 with the hips driven underneath, with the straight back, okay, or you would do 6 on the toes, pressing the chest between the hands. As soon as you finish 6 push-ups, you go into the renegade row, and we've got 12, so we've got 6 on each arm. Remember the wide stance at the back, nice and straight, just drawing the shoulder blades together. As soon as you finish the 12th one, 6 in each leg, you come straight up. Then we go into squats and we just go 24 bodyweight squats, we're squatting away. As soon as you finish, you go back down into push-ups, and then renegade rows, then squats. You do 6, 12, 24, time 2 minutes on the clock, as many times as you can, 2 minutes, and that's day 1 complete.